Hello students, welcome to computer class. As we have already read the chapter operating a computer and also we have done the practical operating a computer. Today we are going to do the back exercise of this chapter. I hope you all have tried to solve this back exercise of this chapter, right? So today I will tell you the answers of all the questions. If there is any mistake in the back exercise you have made, you can correct the mistake, right? So first question in your back exercise is related to fill in the blanks. First fill in the blank is to start a computer we need to first switch on the dash supply button. Switch on the power supply button. Second fill up is if the electricity goes off, the dash makes the computer work. UPS makes the computer work when there is no electricity. Third question is to turn off the computer, click on the dash button and into it shut down option. So first we will click on system menu and system menu. In the system menu there will be shutdown option. Next is Ubuntu is a popular dash that makes the computer work. Ubuntu is popular program. Next fill up is dash is the first display screen when we switch on the computer. So first screen when we switch on the computer is desktop. Next is true false. First true false is the desktop holds many small pictures that are known as icon. So it is true. Small pictures with label is called icon. Next is launcher bar in Ubuntu is similar to the taskbar in Windows. So true. In Windows we have the taskbar and in Ubuntu we have a launcher for same purpose. Third true false is indicator area is located at the left side of the menu bar. Yes. Indicator area is on the left side of the menu bar. Fourth true false is the first step to start a computer is to switch on the monitor button. False. First we switch on the power button, electricity power button. Next is fifth true false, system menu icon is present on the left side of the menu. False. System menu is on the right side of the menu bar. Next is match the following. Icons. What are icons? Icons are small pictures on the desktop. Desktop. What is a desktop? The first display screen is a desktop. Question number 3, Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a program. Question number 4, minimize. Minimize is a control button. Title bar. Title bar is the topmost bar of an application. Then there is tick the right answer, MCQs. Dash makes a computer work when electricity goes off. UPS makes the computer work when electricity goes off. Second is clicking on the dash button causes the text editor gedit window occupy the entire desktop. Maximize. When we click on maximize, the gedit window occupy the entire desktop. Then question number 3, to open the text editor gedit program, click on the dash icon, then type text editor in the search box. search bar. Now here they have given us the hints: CPU, power, desktop, UPS, program, Ubuntu, monitor, icon. Now what we have to do here, we have to find all these words. Desktop, right? Then there is a monitor, there is an icon, power, Ubuntu, program, CPU, UPS. So all 8 words we have find out. So next are question answers. First question is, what is Ubuntu? So the answer is, Ubuntu is a popular program that makes the computer work. Second question is, which device makes the computer work when electricity goes off? So answer is, if the electricity goes off, the UPS makes the computer work. Which button do we click first to shut down the computer? We click the session indicator icon first to shut down the computer. What do you mean by launcher? Launcher is the vertical bar present at the left side of the desktop. What are icons? Icons are the small pictures present on the desktop. So this is all about this back exercise of this chapter. I hope you all are able to do the back exercise now. So solve this back exercise in your books. Thank you. Have a nice day and keep learning.